everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a delicious, flavorful, colorful dish today. We are making Rasta pasta. It's creamy, it's delicious, it's extremely flavorful. I cannot wait for you guys to see how it's done. Before I begin, you know the drill. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. Also subscribe if you're new here, and let's dive in. Alright guys, to begin we're going to start by boiling our pasta. I have the water already boiling, so I'm going to add in my pasta. I'm using penne pasta for today's recipe. I'm going to pour that in just like this. Also, we have a little bit of chicken bouillon with some salt going in. Give it a stir so it doesn't stick together. Then we're going to cover it. Allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. While my pasta's boiling, let's get this chicken seasoned. I'm using chicken tenderloin. Of course, you can use chicken breast, chicken thighs. So I'm going to dice them into small pieces. Now I'm going to place it into this bowl right here so we can season it. To season, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Rub that in just like this. Then we're going with the Island Vibe Cajun seasoning, or you can use any all-purpose seasoning that you have in hand. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of that. Mix it together. Also, we have some jerk seasoning going in, about 2 tablespoons. Pour that in. That is ready to go. Now the pasta is nice and al dente. As you guys can see, it's looking real good. I'm going to set it aside for now. Drain the water. Make sure you don't rinse it off, okay? Turn that off. To a medium-high heat pan, I am going to drizzle some olive oil so we can pan sear the chicken. I'm going to add the chicken right in. So just pour that in. And it's already smelling amazing. All the spice from the jerk seasoning. So I'm going to let this go for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to flip it over. It has been about 2 minutes. It's time for me to flip the chicken over. And they look good. Look at that. Do you see it? Oh yes, I love using this pan for pan sear chicken. It just gives you a nice, beautiful searing on the chicken. I'm gonna let it go for another minute to 1.5 minutes. Then we'll take it out. It's time to take the chicken out, you guys, and it smells so good. I wanna try it so bad, but I'm gonna wait till the food is done, okay? It smells too good. Whew. Oh yes, if you never tried Rasta pasta, today is your day to try it. This is what we're working with. It looks so good. We're going to be using the same skillet, obviously. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to melt that up. Now if you want to be fancy, you can add some garlic to this, but let me tell you, the jerk seasoning has garlic, and also the Island Vibe seasoning, the Cajun Crush, has garlic in it, so no need to add garlic. I'm going in with some bell peppers. I'm using red, yellow, green bell peppers. Also, we have onion going in. We're going to saute these for a little bit, about a minute, until they're nice and soft. The veggies are nice and tender, as you can see. I'm going in with 2 cups of heavy cream. Alrighty. Now we're going in with about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. The word couldn't come out. Wow. Cream cheese. Add your cream cheese in, and also we are about to season this a little bit more with our Cajun Crush. Not too much because the flavor is already in the chicken. Trust me. A little bit of that. About a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. A teaspoon, okay? Keep that in mind. And give that a mix. Wait for it. It's about to boil. The cream cheese is going to make this extra creamy, okay? All right, as you guys can see, it's boiling. Time for me to add in my pasta. So let's pour that in slowly. We don't want to make a mess. Don't burn yourself, so carefully add in your pasta just like this. Give it a stir. Oh, it's already looking good, y'all. Already looking good. We're not done yet now. And now I'm going in with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Not a little bit, a lot actually. Add a good amount of Parmesan cheese in here. It's going to be so good. Y'all can imagine how flavorful this is going to be. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. And don't forget, we have our chicken going in right now. Okay? It smells so good. So now is the perfect time for you to add your chicken. That's where all the flavor, the jerk is going to just circulate all over this pasta. Oh man. Now we're going to give it a stir just like this. Y'all see how creamy this is? Like, y'all see it? Y'all see how creamy? I'm telling you, the cream cheese definitely adds some extra creaminess to this. And now we're going to mix it all together so the chicken can release that jerk flavor to our creamy pasta. Oh yes, ma'am. I'm going in with a little bit of fresh parsley just to top it off. Oh man, this is going to be so good, so flavorful. And it's pretty much done. Just like that, super quick, super easy, big flavor. So good. You see that beautiful plate right here? It's a full course meal. Let's give it a try. It smells so delicious. Y'all can hear that. It's so creamy, so let's give it a try. Woo. Very flavorful, like extremely flavorful. If you're a pasta lover, this recipe is for you, hands down. It has a little kick to it, you know, not too much, but just the perfect balance. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try it, because this right here is a 10 out of 10 pasta recipe you need to add to your weekly rotation, because this right here is so good, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. If you've been watching me, you know, for a long time, I appreciate you. I want to say thank you. I'm going to keep posting these delicious meals, and you keep watching and keep supporting. That's all I need. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.